So for like 3 or 4 months, I have been using some saran wrap because I saw people do it online, hoping that this would never occur, but here it has occurred where my vat broke in the middle. Honestly, not on very many prints on that NEFP either, so I'm a little disappointed, but so here we're going to try to take it off and see if the precautions actually worked. Let's see if we can get my arm out of the way. Ooh, not good. So it even ripped underneath, and now it's all over my screen. So that definitely sucks. I will try to attempt cleaning at this point, but yeah, that blows. You may think that's all paper towel, but it's not. It's slowly, with the alcohol, tearing it up. So remember where we started. We've come a long way. It's only been about 20 minutes, but it's painstaking, slow, tender. Gotta be careful. Kind of a slow process, but it's very effective. As you're going through, make sure you wipe these edges off. Here we go. Still a little couple of small spots that I'm going to work on, but they definitely, I don't think, will impact what I'm doing, especially after I touch them up here a little bit. But came out pretty good. Gotta say, it's probably pretty effective that I had that saran wrap over the top of this, because otherwise it would have been way, way worse, even though there was a hole in the saran wrap from the amount of printing that occurred after the tear. So still was able to make it work. I think the screen's gonna do great, but I will update you guys on how it goes.